Welcome to Brenda the Lenda's Money Moment, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Brenda the Lenda of New American Funding, the #1 mortgage choice for Irvine homebuyers. Now, here's your money moment.
Question for you. What if every time you got paid, you set aside some money for your future before you paid any bills? This is known as paying yourself first, and it's one of the most powerful strategies for building financial security. Of course, paying yourself first can be difficult if you're living from paycheck to paycheck, but if you ever hope to get ahead, you have to start investing for tomorrow. Here are 6 tips for paying yourself first. Tip number 1, start small. Start with an amount you'll hardly notice, like 5 to 10% of your income, then work towards 20%. Tip number 2, make a budget. Only by knowing where your money is going can you see where savings can be made. Tip number 3, automate your saving. Transfer it automatically from your checking account into a separate interest-paying account. Tip number 4, lock it into a retirement account. Take away temptation by putting the money into an account that charges a penalty for early withdrawals. Tip number 5, increase your mortgage payments. By paying off your mortgage early, you'll enjoy huge savings over the long run. Tip number 6, invest in an income property. Once you've saved enough for a down payment, buy an investment property and use the pay yourself first funds to cover the mortgage payments, which will be reduced by rent revenue. After a few years, you'll have the financial security you've always dreamed of. So there you have it. I've just given you 6 tips for building wealth. For more information on how you can use your mortgage to accelerate your wealth, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Brenda the Lenda's Money Moment. If you have any questions or comments, please call Brenda the Lenda today at 949-679-4331.